Peter, could you tell us a bit of how crucial the electrification shift is to the industry? Is it really evolve or die?
Yes, it's really crucial. We did a survey last year in our members, and we asked them if they see a major change in their product portfolio until 2030, and 83% answered yes on that question.
And so then the natural follow-up question, what does the shift actually mean for automotive suppliers?
Mainly, it's a shift in the competence. They need new or different competence, but also a big change is in the business model for them. We can compare it with the music industry. 2000, when we bought a CD to listen to the music, and now we buy the music directly. And the major technical part made that possible was the MP3 technique. And in our case now, we see that is electrification.
Looking a bit more on your member companies, what would you say are the major driving forces for them in this transformation?
It's mainly the business model. We will probably buy transport in the future and not the vehicles itself. So we will see a less volume but higher turnover. Another major driver is sustainability. We had the former CEO of Scania, Henrik Henriksson, as a speaker, and he told the crowd that no one will buy from you, no one will invest in you, and no one will work for you if you are not a sustainable company in the future.
But when it comes to sustainability, I know that you believe that just delivering parts for electric vehicles is not enough, but that the whole automotive industry needs to become climate neutral as well. So from the role of a component supplier, what does this mean?
Today we are a supply chain from raw material to the end customer, and that needs to change. We need to be more circular because we need to use our resources in a much better way in the future.
And has any car brand been able to produce a truly climate neutral vehicle so far?
No, and we are quite far away from that actually, but there are several initiatives. One Swedish, Polestar Zero, and they will be climate neutral 2030, and they will only have 100% recycled material.
Sounds like they're well on their way. Your member companies are component suppliers, and to be direct, what are the most important steps they need to take in order to evolve and survive?
There are three key areas, and that is sustainability, digitalization, and electrification. And to be successful with that, we definitely need a new type of competence and a complete new business model in the business.
So as a representative for an industry organization, in your opinion, do policymakers do enough in order to facilitate this transformation, or is there anything they could do better?
Yeah, they are doing well, but we see they need to speed up. The industry is really going fast right now, and we need higher speed, especially when it comes to green, reliable energy. We also see charging stations are needed, especially when it comes to heavy trucks.
But it's not all challenges, right? What opportunities do you see in the automotive industry due to this transformation?
We actually see a lot of opportunities as well. We in Sweden, we are very curious on new technology, and we have invented Skype, Spotify, Minecraft, for example. And if we can implement that in the automotive industry, we will be successful.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your insights, Peter. And there are for sure many challenges to overcome, but there is also loads of opportunities arising from this transformation.